black convertibles. I kill a block, I murder the avenues. Rape and pillage and village women and children.
Hey guys, so before I get copyrighted, I just want to say hi. I'm sorry, I was eating nerd. Not showing the logo because no free advertising around here. So today I'm going to do a look with this palette, but it's this one. It's so pretty. Wow. One of my friends got me it. She was my secret Santa. Her name's Alex. Shout out to you, Alex. She got me it for Christmas. I used them by myself and I made a look with it and I was like, wow. But I didn't want to film it because like I didn't know what I was going to do. I still don't know what I'm going to do now, but I want to film it because if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, I either posted a video or I'm going to post a video. It'll be out soon. Or it's already out, so check it out. And if it's already out, I'm probably gonna put it right here. Or no, I'll put it at the end of the video. Or I'll link it at the bottom in the description box below. So let's just get into the video. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because I like how those videos work out. Right now I'm gonna just go and do my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, and then I'll be right back to start the makeup look. So enjoy. Okay, bye. Okay, let me stop. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. And I hate doing voiceovers. Well, I love doing voiceovers, but I hate my voice. So. It's a 3502 palette by Morphe. Now I'm going to let other Tiani talk. Thank you for that. And so I'm just, okay, moving it closer to my face, which is a kind of a big dub because the whole video is kind of out of focus a little bit, but don't mind that. So I'm just going to take that beigey color and put that all over my lid to set the concealer and be a base. And I'm bumping right now. And now I'm just going to go into this little orangey color as my transition shade? Yeah. And I'm just going to switch the brush to a more detailed brush so I can get in there a little better. I'ma explain why you probably never see me. Yeah, so that was me doing my little Nicki Minaj. So now I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and just go over everything. I'm not going to add any color. And now I'm adding color. I'm going to add that orange that I added before. I'm going to go over everything and blend it out. So at this point, I remembered that I never set the concealer under my eyes, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just setting it. Oh my god! And now I'm gonna take some more colors from the palette, and I'm gonna go over everything. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Find a way to articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Nah, I definitely killed that. I don't even care. So now I'm going to go into a more detailed brush, and I'm going to go over everything, get a different brush, and I'm going to go into, the red shade. Now I'm going to start to add definition and depth to this color scheme thingy I got going on. Just so it's not all one blob of orange. It's like orange and red and all these different colors. Now I'm taking this big old fluffy brush and wiping off my bake that I had sitting there. And poke myself in the eye a couple times. Grabbed another fluffy brush and try to blend in the thingy more. Get another fluffy brush. Get the red. Blend some more. Basically just blending. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm grabbing a little packing brush and I'm going to grab my BADESCU and pack the color on.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
So now I'm taking that orangey sparkly shade out of the palette and I'm going to put it in the front half of my lid. Not going to go all the way, just the front halves of it on my lid. Oh my god, my nana just got home. Ugh. Noise. I'm sorry to keep interrupting, but I'm gonna go grab that reddish color with the same brush that I used to pack on the orange, and I'm gonna put down the outer end of my lid and pack that on. I'm gonna try to wing it out a little bit because it's gonna go under my wing, my actual wing that I'm gonna do. So it just looks better like if I spread it out. Okay. Cardio, okay. Yeah. So I just keep doing that, and yeah, you'll see what's going on right now.
I don't eat pussy, I'm fat on God. I'm a blood, my brother crippin', bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin', I like hot sauce on my chicken.
So I just kept building over the orange and the red shades just to make sure it's really pigmented, and now I grabbed a little blending brush and went over the same colors and blended it together so it wasn't like straight lines. So I went with the orange, blended it onto the orange, and get the red, blended it onto the red, and try to mesh it all together. Now I'm going in with my liner. It's the e.l.f. liner. Oh my god, I was supposed to name the products. Oh wait, no. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's the e.l.f. liner. I'm gonna go over. Oh, I messed up. Yeah, so I'm lining my eyelids right now, and I messed up, which isn't rare. So yeah, there's that.
Wow, 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 ow, 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 ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tell her I'm out with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit, no god. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account, yeah. 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 In my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down, yeah. 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 Ready to gun you down.
So now I'm taking my little fluffy Kylie brush, and I'm going to go in with the red color and go over the crease that I kind of got blended away a little bit. Well, I just went back in on top of it. If anything got blended away. Now I'm going in with this little definer brush, grabbing that orange that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to put it on my under eye. You can't see, but I am doing it. So now I go into like a brownie color to add a little darkness to smoke out my under eye, and I put it on my under eye, and you can't see, so I just skipped it. And now I got some eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that on my under eye too. I'm gonna waterline it. Put it on, the waterline. Put it on. Put it on the waterline, and I keep dying. So now I'm doing it on my upper eyelid, and grabbing some little eyelash curlers, curling my lashes, getting a telescopic, putting it on the lashes. You know the drill.
Bye.
So that was my dad. He's annoying. So I'm going to go in with my lashes from BH Cosmetics at D301s. Grab some more telescopic and put that on my lower lash. Now I'm going to grab my highlighter brush and get the CARLI BYBEL BH Cosmetics palette. Grab the highlighter that I love to use and highlight my cheeks and the sides of my forehead or whatever. Yeah.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a wifey. Yes, my team summer, couple setbacks, bounce back in my cover. The clip real.
So I just took the little brush that I like to use to highlight my nose and everything. And I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose and the little tip of my nose because I like how that looks. It looks so cute. Oh my god. Now I went on the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm just setting everything and using the CARLI BYBEL palette to fan my face. Ah! I never sleep, I gotta eat, I gotta dance. I really rap when I get that advance. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and I'm gonna put that on, and I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Oh, let me zoom it out. Oh, wait, this one. Okay. So, oh, this is very high. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this and you want to see more of me. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying this long. Share this video with your friends. I'm going to keep repeating the same thing till the video ends, and I feel like I said it enough times. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Check out my last videos if you haven't already. Comment some things that you think I should do next. Yeah. Don't forget to add me on Snap, because right now I'm about to go post some pictures teasing this video. My Snap is right here. Thanks, Tiani. Thanks for putting that there. Bye, guys! Drink.